If there's one thing I missed about the U.S., it's this. Hiking up by the Chattooga River. Probably still my favorite place in the world. Where are we going?
Chattooga River.
You sure it doesn't say Chattooga?
It's Chattooga.
It's the Chattooga River.
Chattooga.
So we're hiking, and we got Abby. Here's Abby's first vlog. Because she won't vlog herself. Reagan, don't wear yourself out. Because pro tip, we're going to walk downhill 7/10 of a mile. And you know what's after that?
You gotta come measure it.
Walking up.
So we probably gonna die.
Hmm?
This is the only aisle I walked down.
Oh wait, let me get it. Hang on, let me get it. Wait, Reagan, let her go, let her go. Ready? Go.
Oh, I did Reagan.
I'm cracking up here so much because Abby just said it's the only aisle she'll ever walk down with flowers.
Like 180. Building that.
Well, you said it right. Right. I'll edit that part out, don't worry. Actually, I'll clip that part and send it to your mom for her use. Reagan, are you having fun on this little walk?
Yeah.
You know, on camera, you two look almost the same height.
Short stuff.
Where are we going? Pigpen on Licklog Falls. Pigpen's right here.
Pigpen?
Pigpen Falls is that one that's right there that you can see.
Pigpen.
I have found
Pig.
You found the spider webs?
spider web number 400.
Today.
All right, Pigpen Falls. We're here. We made it. Right? I'll bet the water's cold. That's my guess.
This is not a pigpen.
It is cold.
What?
Said yes.
You want to sit on the edge? Do you want to get closer? Or is that close enough?
I wonder if that branch is close.
Probably. I would imagine so, yeah. Give it a shot. I got a camera, so if you fall, it's all good. Let me get to where I can actually see you hit the water. Just in, yeah.
101.
Huh?
Found it.
Oh, look at all
I would go further, but here we go.
Hold on.
Oh, no,
We keep the camera rolling so when she falls in, we can put it on Instagram. I guess this is the part where I say, where's Julie? Where's Austin? Who's this strange woman back there with my child? Austin has a splinter that we can't see. It's in his foot, and he hurt himself yesterday on a water slide. So, my friend Abby is walking with us down this trail. We just left Pigpen Falls. We're headed to Licklog Falls. I'll put the little stuff on the map so you can see where we are. We're out in the middle of nowhere, South Carolina. Georgia's about 1/10 of a mile that way.
99,000 more birds to go.
Y'all don't have ferns in Union, do you?
You got to buy them from the store, you see. They're not just chilling in the ground.
This is the top of the waterfall here. And you can see we shouldn't walk out to it. Julie would not want us to risk it. Oh, there's part of the falls. Abby up there clearing the spider webs.
I have caught every single living.
Reagan, doesn't it kind of look like jungle here? A little.
It's a jungle. This does not just look like a jungle. It's a jungle.
So, I've been trying to get Abby to come join us in the actual jungle ever since we left, since before we left. She's too busy working at her job. We're gonna get her to Thailand for Songkran, or maybe Laos for Pi Mai, same thing, or maybe both. Did you eat one?
What's Pi Mai?
I think that was a ball.
Oh yeah, the bugs will get you. Pi Mai is the same as New Year's in Laos, Reagan. So remember Songkran in Thailand?
Yeah.
It's just like that, except a little, not quite as crazy.
Pi Mai.
Pi Mai means New Year.
Yes, if you say it backwards, it would be my peak. It's not wrong.
Child. Yeah, this is where we were.
This is where you want to camp.
This is where we were camping. To the river. We think maybe Julie will recognize it. Is this where we almost got washed away, Julie? I think it is. I was just called old from the peanut gallery there. Yeah, so we're at the Tsuga. And being the guy who's terrible at solo parenting, I forgot to bring our lunch bag down here. So we'll probably not stay too long, but I really do want to get to the waterfall.
Does he eat moss?
No,
Moss.
it's insects and other smaller critters.
Does he eat moss?
You ever seen one of those?
I don't think I have any.
They only live in this general area.
Should I pick it up?
No, absolutely not.
Why?
It's an amphibian. You don't pick amphibians
Wow.
up.
Bye bye, red
What was
lizard.
that?
Why is it staying still?
That tree was trying to stake you out.
It's not a lizard, sweetie. It's a newt.
Come on, little newt. Go, buddy.
He has no interest. He's like,
Go, buddy, go. If I touch his tail.
if you
Oh, there you go. There you go. Go, go, go.
don't, let's not torture it. Let's just try to let him get off the trail.
Oh, so cute. So cute. He is so cute. He's the cutest
Unfortunately for him, or her, the only protection he has is color. Because you see how slow and goofy he moves?
thing. Yes.
Look at that little guy.
He's the cutest. It's a baby. It's the cutest. Look how cute he is.
Reagan, put your finger down there for size comparison.
So cute.
What do you think, Abby? Wildlife time?
I found 95,000 bugs.
I put a flower near it to compare.
Hey, Reagan. Hey, Reagan, look. A big one.
Find all kinds of new.
What? There's so many.
Oh, he's fat.
You know what that means. What was that?
See the water fall, now let's go. I want to
See what I got to deal with here. I got Miss Bossy Pants up front. I forgot to bring the sandwiches down the hill. So we're going up the hill to get sandwiches.
I love you.
You gonna catch one? They're like, nope.
Behind it.
Nope.
Yay.